My name's Lexi Arlen, and this summer I'll be teaching climate change, projections, and uncertainty. I'm a PhD student here at Stanford studying how climate change influences the interaction between the atmosphere, ice, and ocean in the polar regions. This course aims to demystify what we do and don't know about climate change. After familiarizing ourselves with the Earth system, we will cover how past climate change and anthropogenic climate change differ. We will then discuss the radiative physics that give rise to the greenhouse effect. Students will implement a numerical model of Earth's energy balance in Python, where they will experiment with how increasing greenhouse gases raises Earth's equilibrium temperature. After we understand the physics of the greenhouse effect, we will discuss how more complex climate models work. Scientists use an ensemble of climate models called the CMIP models to generate the IPCC reports that give projections of our future climate under different emissions scenarios. In the second week of the course, students will work in teams to create a presentation of how climate change manifests itself in a component of the Earth system. Potential project topics include hurricanes, ocean circulation, El Niño, wildfires, and sea level rise. During these projects, students will perform original data analysis in Python using CMIP model output and/or observational datasets. While students work on their projects, we will cover how to disentangle the signal of a force change from natural climate variability and how tipping points can arise in the Earth system. I'm very excited to empower my students with the scientific tools to engage in challenging climate conversations. I hope to see you this summer.